Hello my good people. Today we got a small problem, and that small problem is about a mouthpiece. So some phones are different, so this one is very easy to fix. That's why I said let me make a video. So basically what you need to fix your mouthpiece, first let's test the mouthpiece problem with this one. Start recording. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. All right, let's say start recording. Okay, let's delete some recording so that we can have a space. Okay, now let's record. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Exit. So let's go to recording list. There is our playback there. Giving us white noise. Let's delete that one. Let's delete this one so we can have space after we fixed. So the process is simple. Remove the battery, remove the cover from the front. You will need a pair of mouthpiece, the soldering iron, and the soldering wire. So what you basically do, and you need to have some tools, of course. Take out the old one. Red wire out, and put a little bit of wire back. Let me open this one. I'll use my mouth. Red wire, red wire in, red wire out, and then we place our mouthpiece in the rightful position. And you follow up with the wire. And then we flatten up this thing. Close the phone. Put the battery back and the SIM card, of course. And let's switch it on. There is the old one. Now let's go back to the menu, voice recorder. Let's delete that list out. Now just record. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Save. Now let's play back. One two one two one two one two one two one two one. Simple like that. That's how you can fix your charging pin for these type of phones, like most Mobicels and these Itels and some Nokias. There are a lot of phones, including this Mobicel R1. Same procedure, and some like this Mobicel is a different story. If the mouthpiece is not working on this one, you need to have no more than a soldering iron. This one, it needs a little bit more skill to fix, because this is the mouthpiece, you see, and it's not soldered from outside or using any wire. Like this is a vibrator, and then this is the mouthpiece. So in order for you to change this one, you need to have a hot air station. So you heat it up and then it comes out, and then you find the replacement, put it on top, you heat it again, and then to hold back. If you don't have the tools, just simply look for the flex. Once you've looked for the flex, it will solve your problem. So mouthpiece should never be a big problem for you. I hope this video helped you today. Welcome to another video looking into problems. Please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe so that we can grow. I want to see my channel one day sitting on 1,000 subscribers. That's my dream, and only you guys, you can make it possible. Thank you very much.